guys, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I thank you for your love, for your support. If you are new to the channel, you're highly and very welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell to get an update when I upload a new video. You can follow me on all of my social media platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, all at Stylish Naija. Okay, guys, so if you want to register for my online classes, you can just see my number scrolling through the screen. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll give you the details of the classes we have presently available. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut and sew this structure sleeve. So you can see the picture up there. How to cut, sew, and fix. Yes, I'll show you guys how to attach it. This structure sleeve. That's what we're going to learn how to do today. Okay, so for this, my sleeve, I have a pattern paper here. So I'm going to show you the measurement that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use my armhole measurement. That's the round of my armhole. Okay, guys, so in order for us to do this sleeve, since it is an off-shoulder sleeve, you need your round armhole measurement. So for my round armhole measurement, I have about 6 inches here. So the next thing you are going to do, you measure your bicep. That's this top part of your here. I hope you can see it. That's your bicep area. That's your round sleeve measurement. You measure it. So mine is 11. So this is the shape that I want my sleeve to be. I want it round like this. Normally you can do a square one. Also, you can make it as a square. This structure sleeve, you can do it in 2 ways, but I want mine to be round. So I'm going to cut out a round circle. So in cutting out, I'll just use like a random measurement, making sure that I have more than enough. So I have about 9 inches here. And then here I'll do about 10 inches. So I'll cut that out. And then use it to create a circle. So I've created out my circle. The next thing I'm going to do now to my circle, I'm going to transfer this to my fabric. I'll transfer it to my fabric and then I'll use my strong steel to iron and turn. So I'll do that and then come back and show you how we're going to fix it to this sleeve. Okay, guys, so I've ironed my strong stay on the sleeve piece. So I'm going to show you guys how to stitch this right now. So for the stitching, here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come to this part. I'll insert my round sleeve measurement. So I told you initially that I'm using 11 inches, which is 5.5. So I'll add half of an inch to it to make it 6 inches. So I'm going to stitch from this point to this point. So this point, now what I'll do, I'll put a notch here so that I'll know where I'm going to stitch it to from the other side. That's from the back. And then this is the down part. So for the down part, I'm going to cover up what I have here, just leaving where I'm going to pleat. So for this, I can go, depends on how much pleat I want to add to it. So I can decide to just pleat from here to here. So for this now, I'm going to put a notch here. So I'm going to stitch this part like this now for the down part. So I'll add a notch to it. So when I take it back to my machine, when I open it, I know that I'm stitching from here to here, and then I'm stitching from here to here. So this part is going to be open. That's the side I will attach to the sleeve. So I'll go back to my machine. I'll do that, iron it, and then bring it back and show you how we're going to insert it to the main bodies. Okay, guys, so you can see my sleeve. So I've done this one, but I've not secured it down, so I just pinned it. So I'm going to use this second one now to explain to you guys what I did, how to achieve this. So for this, you can decide to pleat it however you want to. So this is the center part. So I'm just going to take it, so this remaining part, and then I'm going to pleat it, just tiny pleats. And then I'll add a second one here. So you can, depends on how much fullness you want, you can actually do that. So because of my hard stay, it's getting a little bit thick and strong. So the same thing, I'll repeat it on this side also, the pleat. I'll just add a tiny one here on the side, just two pleats. And then I'll pin the second one. It's so difficult to pin down because of the stay that I use. Okay. So after that, I'll fold it like this. Okay, guys. So after pinning, you should have something like this, looking like this. So the next thing now is for us to fix this. So the way you are going to fix this, you are going to use your round sleeve measurement. That's this part, your bicep area. You take the measurement, and you know we used 5.5 initially. So you mark it like this. This is the 5.5 point here. So you take that 5.5. So this one on the inside is going to stay here like this. So from here, I'm going to fix it up to this point. That's from here now. From the 5.5 mark point, I'm going to fix it to my armhole area like this. So once it gets to this point, I'm going to stop it. So I hope you can see it. Once it gets to this point, I'm going to stop it. And then this one also. So this is the 5.5 mark also. I'm going to fix this one here like this, here also. And then once it gets to this point, I'm going to stop it. So this is how you actually fix it. So I'm going to go ahead now, pin it for you to see how it looks like. Okay, guys, so I'll show you guys how to fix it now. So this is the point of our armhole. So you place it like that, and then you just pin along this line like this. And then this will get to this point. So you are still going to have a little bit of opening on the armhole area. Why? So your clients will be able to move their hands easily. Because if you cover it up, it will be difficult to move their their hands. So you can see how it looks like. And then this other one also on this side, I'll fix it up to this point. So I'll have a little bit of opening here like that. So I'll turn this like this. So after stitching, you should have something like this. So I use my pins to secure it down, and then I'll take it back to my machine and then sew. And then this armhole area, you will finish up this whole area with a bias. So you use a bias to finish it up so it looks neat and fine. So guys, this is how you actually do this off shoulder sleeve. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video.